Today we are making a homemade soup with lots of veggies, chicken thighs and millet. This soup is perfect if you want a light, creamy dinner. I start by boiling my chicken, and while this cooks, I'm gonna roughly chop up my veggies. I'm using a couple of carrots, onion, potatoes, parsley and celery root, and also one zucchini. I think this recipe is great because you can use any veggies you have in your pantry, so don't worry if you don't have something that I'm using here. I'm actually using the chicken for another dinner, so this time I'm only going to use the water in which the chicken cooked, since it has a lot of chicken flavor. But you can definitely slice the meat and add it back at the end once you blend the veggies. It will be even better. In terms of millet, I'm just gonna wash it and set it aside until the end, since we don't want to overcook it. Once my chicken is fully cooked, I'm gonna take it out and put my veggies in. As I said, I'm not gonna use it this time, but this is where you would take it out and leave it to cool down before slicing. When our veggies are cooked through, I'm gonna use an immersion blender to blend everything. You can also use a regular blender, just make sure it can stand the heat. I'm gonna put it back on the stove and just season it with some salt and pepper. I'm also adding a little bit of yogurt and lemon, but you can omit that if you don't like. And yeah, this is when we are gonna add our millet just at the end so it doesn't overcook, and finish it up with some ground black pepper and a little bit of fresh parsley. We're gonna give it a couple more minutes and then serve and enjoy.